Want to know the secret to exploding your Pinterest traffic overnight? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the overlooked SEO tips that top pinners use to get millions of views, tips you're probably missing out on right now. Don't click away, because this could be the game changer you've been looking for. First, you want to focus on researching and choosing effective keywords for your Pinterest pins. Keywords are essential because they help your content get discovered by the right audience. Start by thinking about what your ideal audience would search for. Enter these keywords into Pinterest's search bar, and you'll notice a drop-down menu with related keywords. These suggestions are golden because they are terms that people are actively searching for. Incorporate these relevant keywords into your pin titles, descriptions, and hashtags. For example, if you're pinning a recipe, you might use keywords like easy dinner recipes, quick meals, or healthy cooking. These phrases help your pins reach more people who are interested in those topics. Make sure your keyword placement feels natural and not forced. Pinterest's algorithm favors pins that provide valuable content to users. Another great way to find trending keywords is by using third-party tools such as Tailwind or SEMrush. These tools give you insights into what's trending on Pinterest and the web, keeping your content up to date and relevant. Regularly updating your keyword strategy with trending terms can keep your content fresh and engage a larger audience. One critical tip is not to stuff your pins with too many keywords. It should be a balanced mix. Too many keywords can dilute the effectiveness and make your pins appear spammy. Focus on 3 to 5 highly relevant keywords to keep your content targeted and effective. So, which keywords will you start integrating into your pins to skyrocket your Pinterest traffic? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. When it comes to optimizing your pin images and content for maximum engagement and traffic, the key is to create visuals that grab attention immediately. Your pin's image is the first thing people see, so it has to be eye-catching and relevant. Use high-quality, vertical images because they take up more space and stand out in Pinterest feeds. Bright colors, clear text overlays, and compelling graphics can significantly boost your pin's visibility. Next, let's talk about descriptions. Your pin description should be engaging and informative, sparking curiosity and encouraging users to click through. Use active language and make sure to incorporate a call to action, like learn more or shop now. Don't forget to weave in those relevant keywords seamlessly. This will help your pins show up in search results and reach the right audience. Now, if you want to take your pins to the next level, consider using rich pins. Rich pins provide more context about an idea because they pull extra information directly onto your pin. For example, product pins show where you can buy the product. Recipe pins list ingredients and cooking instructions. And article pins provide a headline, author, and story description. These can add a layer of depth and usefulness that standard pins lack. One more thing, consistency is crucial. Regularly pinning and updating your content keeps your profile fresh and engaging. So, which of these strategies are you most excited to try out? And how do you plan to implement them into your pinning routine? Organizing your Pinterest boards effectively is the first step to boosting your visibility and enhancing SEO. Start by creating boards around specific themes or keywords that are relevant to your niche. Think about what your target audience is searching for and make sure your boards align with those interests. For instance, if you're in the culinary space, consider having boards like quick weeknight dinners, healthy breakfast ideas, or gourmet desserts. This not only makes it easier for users to find what they're looking for, but also signals to Pinterest's algorithm what your content is all about. Now, let's talk about board titles and descriptions. Descriptive board titles are a game changer. Instead of using vague titles like My Favorites, opt for something more specific like Top Picks for Home Decor. Similarly, your board description should be keyword-rich and informative. Describe what users can find on each board and sprinkle in keywords naturally. This helps Pinterest understand what your board is about and makes it more likely to appear in search results. Regularly updating your boards with fresh content is also essential. Pinterest favors active boards, so make it a habit to add new pins on a consistent basis. This keeps your boards lively and engaging, ensuring that they remain relevant to both new and returning users. Collaborating on group boards is another strategy to consider. By joining forces with other pinners who share similar interests, you can tap into new audiences and drive more traffic to your boards. Group boards also benefit from being more active, as multiple contributors can keep the content flowing. Finally, leverage Pinterest's algorithm by pinning diverse content that resonates with your audience. Pinterest's algorithm rewards pins that generate engagement, so diversify your content to include a mix of images, infographics, and videos. Keep an eye on what's performing well and try to incorporate similar elements into your pins. Are you ready to optimize your Pinterest boards and take your visibility to the next level? Leave a comment below with your favorite strategy.